Hi, I'm Kristin Duncan. I'm a real estate agent in Orlando, Florida, and today I want to talk about my predictions for the 2024 real estate market in Central Florida. So number one, you might have heard this on the news already, but interest rates. Interest rates are expected to decrease throughout 2024. So the Fed just announced that they're going to drop the interest rate, which is different from the mortgage interest rate, but they're going to drop that at least 3 times in 2024, which is great news. And usually the interest rate follows that trend. So we have heard that probably about 6.1 to 7% rates is what we're going to see in first quarter, and they're going to continue to drop from there. I don't think we're going to get to those pandemic level lows of 3%, 2.75%. We may never see that again in our lifetime. So hey, I will take a drop in interest rates at this point of any kind. Number two, let's talk inventory. I don't think we're going to see huge fluctuations one way or the other with inventory, and there's a few factors at play here. So first of all, you have those people who have those 2.75, 3.2% interest rates. They don't want to move. They are willing to deal with whatever's going on with their current home because they don't want to move. But we're going to see, because of spring, because we are a school-driven market in a lot of places in Orlando, we will see I think a pop in inventory in the spring, but I'm not expecting any huge swings one way or the other. I think we're still going to be battling that low inventory. Number three, we've heard the word crash and foreclosures, those words thrown around a lot in the last few years. I think the risk of a crash in 2024 is very, very slim. I mean, of course, there's always your wild cards that could happen, but most people have equity in their homes. They still have money in their properties. And one of the big factors in 2008 when everything did crash was that these homeowners did not have equity. So I just don't think in 2024 we're gonna see anything crash. Those of you that have been waiting on some deals for foreclosures, I think you're gonna have to keep waiting, but that's great news for homeowners. Number four, let's talk about competition and multiple offer situations. So I think we are gonna see a fairly competitive spring due to those lower interest rates, the not increasing or the possibly decreasing housing inventory. So I don't think we're gonna see again the pandemic level competition. I don't suspect we'll see 40 offers on a property and $50,000, $100,000 over ask price, waiving appraisals. We will see competition, I believe, on really nice houses that are upgraded, in great locations, great school districts. Those are still gonna be in demand. And last but not least, let's talk prices. I think we're gonna hold kind of steady-ish. Depending on where you are in Orlando, I think that could vary a little bit more. For example, we are seeing higher or more decreases in the vacation zone where there's more investor opportunities. Those interest rates are so high. So we are seeing prices decrease a little more there. The rest of Orlando, I think we could see normal appreciation. I guess there's the chance we could see prices back down just a little bit, but for the most part, I think we're gonna be kind of hovering around the place that prices are right now. I'm not predicting any major swings one way or the other. We would love to help you with your real estate needs in 2024. Please don't hesitate to comment, reach out, ask us any questions. Take care.